In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to blur backgrounds here in Canva. So I have this background just here of this wedding. And what we're going to do is simply click onto the image. Then we're going to come up to Edit. And then we want to come down over here to Effects. And we're going to click on this blur. Now what we can do is blur part of the image. But what we're going to do is click on whole image, choose the intensity, and we're going to slightly blur this image just like that. Now once we're done, we can click onto the cross, and now we have that background blurred. So as you can see, that's how to blur backgrounds here in Canva. Now, if you found this video helpful at all, then please consider giving me a like, as it really helps out the channel. And if you're not too sure what to watch next, click right here and watch this playlist.